Oh my. Oh my God. Holy cow. Oh my God. Oh my God. OMG. I can't say oh my God anymore. I'm going to get struck by lightning. John Hoffman. I saw you in the room earlier. Oh, stop the music. Stop the music. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, John Hoffman. The Hoffman. The Hoffman. The Hoffman. The Hoffman. The Hoffman. Oh my God, I just fainted. John Hoffman. Well, sit down, my friend. Oh my God, it's Bird, Julius Erving, and Magic Johnson. Oh, I lost my voice. Bird, Doctor, and Magic. Holy cow. Magic, Erving, and Bird. Bird, Dr. Magic. Erving Johnson, Erving, Julius Erving, Larry, the hick from French Lick. Holy mackerel. Oh my God. The Iron Ripper just collapsed. Oh, John Hoffman, you gotta be kidding me. Holy cow. Oh, you got it, John. Any grade at all. Oh, let me put it into the saver. Oh, whatever's left of my voice, my third show of the night. Oh, my goodness, you got it. 176 cards. Bird, the Doctor, it was the last card in the pack. It wasn't designated. Oh, Hoffman, go buy another one. You got another one in that random. Oh, I'm swallowing my tongue. Bird, Erving, and Magic. I see a little chip there. Some wax that could possibly fall off. Oh my God, I need a doctor. He's right here. Bird, Erving, and Magic Johnson. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I cannot utter. I do believe it. We said we pulled them all before. Magic, Bird, and Julius Erving. I'm showing off this. We got another one. We did. I need some help. Somebody please give me a washcloth. Give me something out there. There it is. John, of course we're going to grade it. Of course we are. For the Hoffman. He gets the Birdman, the Doctor, oh man, and a little Magic at the end. We pulled that one out of our hat. I think I pulled it out of my ass. Oh my goodness. Another Bird, Erving, and Erving Johnson. Oh my goodness gracious me. The whole JRI team is down there clapping and applauding. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm dying over here. Don't die. Don't die. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man.